Night has the wrong bridle.
Night.
What?
You have the wrong bridle.
Oh,
Night. Night. Wait, I forgot my dots. Shoot.
Might need those.
Curl set. Ready, set, go. That was perfect timing though. With
Cloudy, my horse is female. Leave it alone. Cloudy, is your horse also female? Is this gay? Oh, I can't tell. You didn't have it. You don't have it set. Selena, you're instructing. Yeah.
You missed me instructing Nico.
It was amazing.
Cry about it? I'm just kidding.
Yeah, I'm famous.
It's not mobile. It's mobile.
It's mobile.
Mobile.
Okay.
Oops, that was a canter.
Not doing two goes because they suck.
They do.
Thank you.
Ooh, that was really pretty. Except for Kurt, but that's fine.
Hey. Yell at me, Selena.
We gave you an awkward silence.
What? Oh, was I supposed? Oh, no, Cloudy saved the day.
You're welcome.
Cloudy, just be a level 21 already, so I don't have to do this anymore.
If I'm from last year, I'm gonna be so mad. Cause
we got like 3,000 XP.
I know if they change,
I ate that stuff.
Left set. Ready, set, go.
Oh.
Oh. Go.
Scheiße.
Go. Set, go. Oh, that was spicy. Go. Oh yeah. Go.
Cloudy.
what? Sorry.
Go.
Sorry. I pressed the wrong key.